Today we will be introducing you how to install a RoyalBaby bicycle. 95% of the RoyalBaby bicycles have been pre-installed, so you only need to tighten the remaining 6 nuts to complete the installation easily. Check if you have all the accessories: the seat, water bottle, small package, which includes the training wheels, the kickstand, the pedals, the bell, the reflectors, and installation tools. Pull off the protection piece. You can discard it later. Left and right training wheels are different. The left side marked with L and the right side marked with R. Take the nut and the spacers out. Put the plastic square spacer, training wheel like. Pay attention that the ear of the legs should be positioned well here, so that the training wheels don't get loose. And the black iron round washer, large knot in order, and tighten them in clockwise direction with the wrench provided. This one is for the training wheels. The second step, install the pedals. Left and right pedals are different. Check the sticker on pedals. L is left, R is right. They cannot be exchanged. When installing the pedal, hold the pedal in your hand. Align it with the crank arm. Turn the pedal pivot in the forward direction until it's tight. Note, screw in the direction of forward. For example, right pedal should be screwed in clockwise direction, while left pedal should be screwed in counterclockwise direction. In most cases, the left pedal doesn't fit because it's screwed in wrong direction. After the pedals have been screwed in, always remember to tighten the nut with the spinner. There is a plastic protective sleeve under the handlebar. Pull it off before installation. Insert the handlebar into the head tube vertically. Pay attention that the max head safety line should be completely covered. Adjust the front wheel under the handlebar. Make sure they are properly aligned. You can stand in front of the bike and hold the front wheel with your legs and then adjust the handlebar angle. Adjust the head. Tighten the screws clockwise. Make sure the handlebars are tightened. The next step, install the seat. Insert the seat into the seat tube. Pay attention that the max height safety line should be completely covered here. Hold the nut and adjust the operating lever to adjust the tightness. If it is too tight, you can twist it back a little bit. Close the quick release. To get to the closed position, the lever should be pushed over to the front direction. Note that the quick release is locked by pushing it over forward due to lever principle. If you leave the lever open and just tighten the nut as much as possible, the quick release isn't closed and won't work as intended. To adjust the height of the seat, loosen the quick release and adjust it. The most suitable angle for the brake is 45 degrees downwards. Use an L-shaped spinner to tighten the screw. And then installing the bell. the front and the rear reflectors. Well, all jobs done. Please make sure that you check the tightness of handlebars, brakes, chain, training wheels, and pedals before riding.